Today I will show you how to cook a very tasty and fluffy Thai omelette. Sawadee everyone! Monday, new recipe! If you have eggs in your fridge and start to be bored of normal omelette, well, this is your chance to try a new kind of omelette. Fluffy, round, and tasty. Are you ready? Let's go! Now, let's finely chop the mushroom. And for chili, I will just slice it. And the last one is Thai sweet basil. I prefer to take the whole leaf. And now let's mix everything with eggs. Fish sauce. Then we will mix it. Once you mix everything well, let's cook it. For this recipe, we need high heat and hot oil. Then we will have a very fluffy omelette. Once your oil is hot, add your omelette. You cook 2 or 3 minutes, one side each only, and it's done. And now put on top of rice. Ooh. It smells very good. I think the taste will be yummy. And voila, bon appetit!
Sometimes you just don't need to do very fancy, very difficult recipes. Sometimes just the easiest recipes are the best.
As always, don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah,
Honey,
subscribe.
yeah, stop eating first.
You subscribe.
Leave us a comment. What kind of omelette you like to eat usually? Most important, chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye. Stay safe.
Stay safe, yeah. Stay home.
Stay safe.
Eat omelette.
Yeah.